Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We about to count out $5,000 for y'all. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. So on this video, I just wanted to, make a video about money. And I've been seeing a lot of videos, a lot of YouTube recommendations. They've been recommending me videos of people counting money on camera. So today we about to count out $5,000 right here. We got 5 racks right here, 5 racks. You know what I'm saying? And about to count this all out for y'all. So, go ahead, leave a like, comment. It's your boy Yon World. Now we got 1,000 right here. Got another 1,000 right here. We busting all these bands, man. That's three racks right there. That's another rack. And that's another rack. I'm about to count this all out. Just to make sure, just so y'all know, your boy Yon World. We having that internet money right now. Internet money different. Internet money treats you different. So this is what we having today. This how 5 racks look. This how it sound. This how 5 racks sound. We got a bunch of new bills in here. Some hundreds. All right, let's count this out. All right, now we're gonna do how I normally count money. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's 500. 25 20s is $500. So I hope y'all learned something new today. If y'all don't be playing with this much money at once, we is moving to a cashless society, so a lot of people don't even take their money out the bank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. So that's $1,000 right here. 50 20s make $1,000. This is how 50 20s look, That's 50 20s right there. All right. Hold on, we might as well rubber band that up, We're going to just rubber band that up. You buy you some nice black rubber bands from the dollar store. 500 count for $1. All right, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 500 right there. That's 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Y'all ever want to know what your boy Yon World do? All I do is count money. All I do is make money and count money, put up money, you know what I'm saying? Stash money for the rainy days, man. So we're going to do more. I might count I don't know how much I'm going to count on camera. We might do 10,000. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to count $10,000 in cash. We're doing 5 racks today. We tying up the bands, man. This is 2 racks right here. This is $120 bills. This is how 100. If this was all hundreds, this would be $10,000. This is $120 bills right there, and we still got more left. So that's 2 racks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh shit. My bad, y'all. That's 25. That's 25 right here. So new money, you know what I'm saying? When you count that new money, you get ink on your thumbs, man. Leave a comment right now. Leave a like if you know what I'm talking about. When you count that new money, you get ink on your thumbs. So right here, we got another this $500. See, new money, when it ain't been touched and, you know what I'm saying, it ain't been washed or nothing like that. It ain't been on the strip club floor. New money, you know, it's thinner. So you gotta count, you gotta make sure you count that new money right. This 25 20s, $500 right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So right here, we got 10. So that's $200. Then we're gonna add 3. Make that $500. So, or new money too. So super new. Alright, so we got another 1,000 right here. It's the new money stack. So there's 3 racks right here. 3 racks tied up. You know. Now we got the big boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all should know 10 hundreds make a rack. So get that. And we put a band around that. Alright. Now we got 4 racks right here. This is $4,000. That's 1,000. That's 1,000. This is another 1,000. This is a clean 1,000. This is all new money. That's another 1,000. And then we got, you know, 1,000 right here. 10 hundreds. You know, another 1,000 right here, man. Shout out to YouTube too. Just that good YouTube money, man. Shout out to YouTube. So yeah. 4 racks, man. Now we gotta count the last one. This will be counting $5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, man. Now that's 5 racks for y'all, man. 5 racks. Let me know if y'all want to see me count 10, man. I'm about to, you know, we about to go on a little run with this money counting. So if y'all like this video, leave a like in the description. This is 5 bands right here. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know, let me know if y'all want to see your boy YON WORLD count 10 bands, you know, 12 bands, whatever. Let me know. You know, we can count up to 20 right now, you know, so let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all like this content. It's your boy. This will get y'all, you know what I'm saying, we busting all these bands, man. We bust another band, man. We busting all the bands, man. So yeah, man, I want y'all to stay safe out there. Get some money, man. Stay out the way. Stack up on your bread, on your pesos, man. Whatever you gotta get, man. Make that shit happen, man. So it's your boy YON WORLD. We got 5 bands right here. Hundreds, 20s. You know what I'm saying? Spread this all out on the table. It's piled up in certain areas. You know, throw some of them hundreds on top, man. Hundreds stick together, man. Hundreds be sticking together, man. So yeah, man. It's your boy YON WORLD. we just counted out 5 bands on the table. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. We applying pressure all 2020, all 2021, all 2022. So let me know if y'all like this video. Let me know if y'all want to see more money counting videos. I drop any video y'all recommend. I do my best to create it. So I saw they was counting money on YouTube. I'm like, let me start it off with the 5 bands, man. Let me start it off with 5 bands. So let me know what y'all want to see. We can get up to 20 right now. So, hey, I'm going to judge off of the response to this video. It's your boy YON WORLD. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.